it's Susan here from Komori no Hime Cosplay, and today we're going to be making the shirt portion of Rey from the Force Awakens. For Rey's shirt, we're going to be using McCall's M7421, which is a unofficial Rey pattern. And for the shirt, I'm going to be using a off-white stretch knit, and we're going to cut all of our shirt pieces out of this material. Before we start sewing the actual shirt together, we're going to take the front piece of the shirt, since it has this slash in the front of it, and we're going to sew along the edge to secure it, and we're also going to then extend the slash. So we're going to cut a little bit to one side, a little bit to the other side, so it has this flap. Putting right sides together, sew the shirt front to the shirt back along the shoulder seams. Then we're going to top stitch along the edge of the collar to keep everything in place. Next, we're going to take the placket pieces and iron on some fusible stretch interfacing to them. Then fold them in half, putting right sides together, and sew them together along the tops. Turn the plackets right side out, then putting right sides together, we're going to sew them onto the front of the shirt. Next, we're going to turn the shirt inside out, lay the plackets on top of each other, whoops, like that, and now we're going to sew the ends of the plackets to that little triangle that we made earlier. After the placket has been sewn on, we're then going to top stitch all along the edge to keep everything in place. Putting right sides together, now we're going to sew the shirt together along the side seams. To make the sleeves, we're going to take the sleeve pieces, fold them in half, and sew them together along the outer edge. Putting right sides together, sew the top of the sleeve cuff to the armhole. Turn the shirt right side out, then we're going to keep folding the edge that wasn't part of the sleeve inward and hem it and continue up to top stitch around the top of the sleeve. Then we're going to finish the bottom hem of the shirt using a rolled hem. The pattern instructions called for slashing the placket and then running some twill tape through it. I wasn't super fond of that design, and it's going to be covered by the sash anyways, so I just went ahead and sewed the placket closed most of the way, leaving a little bit of the neckline open. And with that, Rey's shirt is done. For more tutorials on how to make the rest of the costume, please subscribe, and thank you very much for watching!